Hi, my name is Karla. I work at Shriners for Children Medical Center in Pasadena, and today I will be showing you how to appropriately wash your hands. And now my hands are clean.